Yeah, but you see what it's doing
It's
now.
just saying
It's now
energy
charging.
recovery. Yeah.
It's charging the battery. 43, 47, 50, 55.
60.
Petrol motor will come in immediately. So look there, it's straight away it's in.
Straight away. It's
So
like almost
even at a very low speed, it knows you want to go faster. So to get the launch control on, the first thing we have to do, this thing doesn't like my fingers. Got to get into sport mode.
Okay. Idle charging, it says.
And then you're going to see as you're driving, when you take your foot off the throttle, you will see when you're using power and when it's charging.
Also, it's going to show you like on this
Yeah, it's
side
zero, and then when it's charging, it'll go down below the zero.
All right.
And then straight up over the mountain. You're in the minuses there, so it's saying it's charging.
When it's in the minus, it's charging.
It's charging the battery.
All right.
Yeah. Remember, it's a self-contained unit, so you're never going to charge this car.
Oh, it's because it's regenerating as you're braking, as you're driving, like
you're now only on the electric motor. So when you pull away, just be very gentle with the throttle. You see, you're just using electricity now. You're just using the electric motor.
Yeah. So it doesn't necessarily have a set speed for the thing to kick in?
I took it up to 60 kilometers an hour the other day. You see the blind spot indicator as well?
Yeah.
Now just give it a little bit more throttle.
It seems like it's still on electric.
Still on electric.
Yeah.
So you can, normal time driving, you can almost have it on electric all the time, depending how your foot is on the throttle.
All right. Because this H6, we didn't have the Ultra here, right?
Yeah.
So my understanding is that this is based on the Ultra. So how different is this to the Super Lux? Is it? Because I'm not sure if Super Lux and Ultra are the same. Because in Australia, I know they have
call
the
it
Ultra.
yeah.
Yeah.
But that's basically the Super Lux. You've got the heads up tips. So what you've got here is a Super Lux car.
Basically.
Features,
yeah.
But the motor's different. That's a 2-litre turbo.
Yes.
This is a 1.5 turbo with the petrol and the electric motor.
Yeah. So but
you
wow,
see the way you've pulled away. You're only
I can feel
using the
electric motor.
The electric motor.
I'm loving this in a sense of, you know, it doesn't make any sound whatsoever.
You see that the minute you freewheeling, you see it goes in the negative, and then below it says charging. Now it's saying power again. So now you're going to be using power.
Okay.
You see.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
Did you kick the petrol motor in yet? Not yet. No.
I can't feel the sound, or I can't hear the sound rather.
No. This is There's got to have the petrol motor in already.
Okay. But how do I see that when it gets into power, or because it's so quiet right now?
Very, very quiet.
Is it?
You see, it's saying tandem drive there. So now tandem drive means you've got both in.
Well, okay.
Yeah.
I think because we're going up.
Yeah. You'll see when you pull away very slowly from here, and then you give it a little bit more. It's going there.
So now it says energy recovery. Yes.
Okay. Now when you stop dead, it's going to tell you stationary. So when you pull away now very slowly, you'll see it's going to tell you that you're on the battery.
Okay. But if I pull hard, like now,
see there you are. You're on the battery electric vehicle.
Yes.
Okay. And as you give it a bit more, you see now it says tandem drive.
Yeah. So it's both basically.
Now it's both. Yeah. This is what 530 Newton meters of torque feels like.
Stupidly, that's slow.
Right, no.
Is it? Oh, okay.
You see now you're using both again.
Yeah. Going up, I believe it wouldn't be using electric motor.
Okay. Now this is a very good time now because we're going to go down the hill.
Yeah.
Now you see what it's doing.
So just leave the throttles now.
Yeah. But you see what it's doing.
It's just saying energy recovery. Yeah.
It's charging the battery. So that's what I'm saying. It's a whole system on its own. You never have to plug this in anywhere to charge it.
To charge it, yes.
It's charging itself.
Yeah. I believe going down is one of the best times for it to just, because I see it brought in like the light, or what do we call this? EV. It's just saying on EV. Is it saying it's on EV mode in this case?
It's saying it's just on recovery. Energy recovery. So you'll see when it's on battery, it'll say BEV, battery electric vehicle.
Oh, okay.
And then you'll see it'll say tandem.
All right.
So we're gonna keep on going straight.
Yeah.
This is a great place to pull away now, because now we can play a game here.
It's an all-wheel drive, right?
No, front-wheel drive.
Oh.
Front-wheel drive. Now we're going to play a little bit of a game here. When you pull away now, you're just going to feather the throttle, and we're going to see how far and how fast we can get just on the battery.
Oh, okay. So am I going hard?
No, very gentle.
All right.
Very, very gentle. You're going to just feather the throttle a little bit. You should. Okay. There's nothing behind you, so we can. You're just going to take the speed up very gently, very, very slowly.
All right.
And you'll see it's going to say BEV for quite a period. I'm guessing on this downhill here, we might even get it to about 60 k's an hour.
So it can get to 100 on BEV?
No. It'll kick in then.
It's way too much power that's needed.
This uncle over here is clicking this car off the road. There we go.
So I'm just pulling it in. It says BEV driving.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you're up to 41, 43, 47, 50, 55.
60.
Okay, everything you've done now has been on battery.
Yeah.
You haven't done, so for that little stretch of road now, you haven't used one little bit of fuel.
Nothing.
Nothing.
No milliliter, nothing.
Nothing. The engine's standing still. The engine's not working. The scary part is that how quiet it is.
It's
and when you're
so
standing
quiet.
when you're standing at the robot, the only way you know that the car's ready to drive is it says on the dash ready.
Yeah, but someone needs to know about this. Like if they don't, they might cause serious problems. Because now it's I can hear the power just a little bit.
You can see now it's gone. The petrol motor's come in.
So if I get this and I drive it long enough, I can be able to time it really. To say, you know, when I'm in traffic like this, if I put it like this, I can be able to at least get enough to get home and not use petrol.
Look, to get everywhere without using petrol is gonna be almost impossible.
Yeah, it's especially with the changing slopes and stuff because.
But I mean, you can see now you're on battery vehicle. You're gonna go left here. You'll also see if you come out of the corner and there's a bit of an opening, you push it quite hard on the throttle. The petrol motor will come in immediately. So look there, straight away it's in.
Straight away.
So like even at a very low speed, it knows you want to go faster.
So it's responding to your throttle input, basically.
To your throttle. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And now if you take your foot off the throttle to charge a bit.
What is parallel drive now? It's parallel drive.
Okay, it's using, in the beginning it's using the electric motor, then it's using what they call a tandem, and then parallel, it's completely, everything is married together.
Oh, I see. All right. Because every time you're braking, it's recovering some energy, right?
Every time.
It's coming from the brakes in this case.
No. It's the electric motor. That's now you're running against, remember, when you're going down a hill in a petrol motor and you take your foot off the throttle, you run against compression. Now, when you're doing the same, the electric motor turns into a generator basically to generate the...
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, I hear you. So it's a regeneration of some sort.
It's a regeneration of power. You can see since we started driving, look how full the battery is becoming.
It's becoming, yeah. Hey, the truck.
It was actually the guy.
Yeah, because so he was frustrating him a bit. I see it can also see the lanes here. It's already on.
It's all the things we've done before with the lane assist.
With the lane assist and
the automatic brake and the blind spot indicators.
Yeah.
The adaptive cruise control steering. So
yeah.
That'll warn you. Okay, all I've done is I've put the adaptive cruise control on, which means it'll now pick up all the cars around you. You'll see it. It tells you there's a car there.
There's a car.
There's a car there.
Yeah. So it's already just reading everything around you. So when you have adaptive cruise control on, even the thing.
This will work normally.
Even when you don't have it on.
When you don't have it on. If you're standing still with your indicator on, left or right, that'll be on.
Oh, okay, just to show you like on the cabs and...
Yeah, potholes, curbs.
Yeah.
You'll see now with the battery electric vehicle, because we're going uphill, it'll kick the tandem in a lot quicker. You see, you're already on tandem.
Yeah, that's already in there. Normally this stretch is quite empty.
Yeah, we're gonna go left,
You know, if you don't indicate, it's fighting with you.
Without indicator, it was upset with you.
It's already fighting with me now. It's like, dude, what are you doing?
We'll have to wait for these guys.
What? Okay. Come, Mahindra. So we are pulling it now. Should I wait on the side?
Yeah, you
Or
can
to
wait on the
pass?
side. Yeah.
Can pass now.
Okay, so to get the launch control on, the first thing we have to do, this thing doesn't like my fingers, got to get into sport mode. Okay, then you've got to put your left foot on the brake.
On the brake, left.
The left foot,
Okay.
yes. Okay, there's a button there that calls traction control.
This one, I'm turning it off.
You got to turn it off, yes.
ESP
Okay, is it
off.
off? Okay.
Yes.
Now with your right foot, put your foot on the throttle.
Oh, it has.
Okay, and then when this car's gone, just release the brake with your left foot. The brake.
Okay. It's quite punchy for a 1.5 liter.
Yeah, but you remember it's running both.
Because I could feel in the beginning, it's like it's fetching the power from somewhere. In this case, obviously not from
so what I'm going to do is just put it back to normal.
Yeah, obviously
Because
not from the electric motor.
You know that rating, it's now going to give you a naughty rating on the 5-star.
Say now,
we're going to go left, yeah.
All right.
You know the story.